So I move on to the next participant, Mahesh Patil sir.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. 1 minute, ma'am. Hello, everyone. This is Mahesh Patil, Assistant Professor from R.C. Patel Engineering College, Shirpur. I'm from Civil Engineering Department. First, I would like to thank Dr. Vinay Kulkarni sir and team for excellent organization and coordination of Week 4 Faculty Development Program. Content of the workshop was excellent, technically sound and knowledge enriching. We never felt bored at any point during the workshop due to playful activities and daily tasks. I would like to overview learning outcomes of environment and sustainability. It gives us attitude to adopt roles and responsibility of everyone within globally independent world. It provides theoretical framework to real work sustainability issues. It helps to develop an ethical perspective on issues of sustainability. FDP exposes diverse learning environment using broad array of educational experience. FDP provides us exposure to interact with eminent personalities around the globe, and all the sessions are eye-opening to all of us. On behalf of all the participants and as a personal, I am very thankful to whole team of faculty development program. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Shiv Ganga Gavne to express his views?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, you are. Please proceed.
Good evening, everyone, respected dignitaries, organizing committee members, and dear participants. I am Shivganga Gavane, Assistant Professor from Computer Engineering Department, Dr. D.Y. Patil, Institute of Engineering, Management and Research, Akudi, Pune. It was very nice experience to learn through this faculty development program. It has cleared all my understanding regarding PO7, that is environment and sustainability. It was very exciting to learn how environment and sustainability can be achieved in each and every subject, including software engineering and even in English literature. This 1 month FDP have opened our eyes, and we realized that it is our responsibility to develop the things which are environment friendly and sustainable, so that it will not affect present and future generations. As a teacher, we will percolate this message into our students. We have also learned different international standards related to environment and sustainability, and general things also like time management, proper execution, patience, etc. At last, I am very thankful to the coordinators and host, that is D.Y. Patil College of Engineering and Engineering, Akudi, Pune, for providing us the great learning platform. At last, on behalf of all participants, I want to assure, as said by Chetan sir, that we will be part of solution and not the part of pollution. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your practical views. It was wonderful. Now, I would request Vinay Rangari, sir. Vinay, sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm audible? Yeah. So, good evening to everyone. This is Vinay Rangari, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering, RCPIT Shirpur. I take this opportunity to thank and congratulate Dr. Vinay Kulkarni and team for the excellent organization and coordination of a 4-week FDP on environment and sustainability. In today's world, urbanization and climate change are two ongoing processes hand in hand and have deep impacts on environment. The FDP taught us that we humans as a personal must take active participation in rectifying our own mistakes. This will help in achieving the goals of the sustainable development. The FDP connected the participants from all the backgrounds with nature and brought us to the ground reality of self-awareness. The efforts of whole organizing team in arranging this FDP are remarkable, and the content of the workshop is very excellent. We were always excited to listen the live sessions and interact with eminent personalities from around the globe. All those sessions were full of knowledge and eye-opening to all of us. Also, the playful activities and daily tasks that keeps us on toes all the time. I also would like to thank all the fellow participants of the FDP for their friendly interaction throughout the course. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Participant Vipin Dahikar, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Vipin Anand Dahikar, working as a lecturer in Civil Engineering Department at Government Polytechnic, Gadchiroli, Maharashtra. I am very much thankful to the organizing committee of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, for organizing international FDP program on environmental and sustainability. All sessions are timely arranged and completed with excellent speakers. I learned from this program identifying environmental aspects, impacts, greenhouse emissions, and carbon footprints. Understand the core concepts and methods from the ecological and physical sciences. The environmental problems solved by applying environmental standards and energy management systems. Adopt 17 goals of environmental sustainability to maintain ecological balance. Waste hierarchy is used to minimize amount of waste. The conservation of natural resources reduces the carbon footprints. Use circular economy, maintaining green energy concepts, reducing carbon emissions, conducting awareness program and energy auditing program, which ensures the environmental sustainability. I am very much thankful to Mr. Dr. Vinay Kulkarni sir, Dr. Ekta Mishra madam, and Dr. Vijay Vadai sir, principal, who takes a great effort for succeeding the FDP program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to move on to the next participant, Arshi Khan ma'am. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, all. I extend a warm welcome to all our expert speakers who enlighten us on the seriousness and importance of one of the world's most sensitive issue, which is environment and sustainability. I'm Professor Arshi Khan, Assistant Professor, working in Electronics Engineering Department of M.H. Sabu Siddique College of Engineering, Baikala, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Some of the learning outcomes from the expert lectures that have imbibed a sense of responsibility as a faculty and as a human towards Mother Nature are: we must be accountable towards achievement of 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by UN in order to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all, since they address the global challenges we face. History has proven that wars must be avoided as they cause irreparable damage to the environment, which includes destruction of biodiversity, rise in the global temperatures, and overdrawing of limited resources. We also learn that a business can successfully thrive in future and make profits only if it follows socially, economically, and environmentally responsible practices. With regards to valued ecosystem components, their identification is very important as they are the elements of the environment that have scientific, economic, social, and cultural significance. Carbon footprint generated by humans have increased 11-fold since 1961, and it can be reduced by following 5 ways, which are refuse, reduce, reuse, rot, and recycle. We stay in a donut of ecological ceiling of Earth, beyond which we have problems related to climate change, acidification of oceans, and many more. We need to halt the harm to people, animal, plants, oceans, soil, rivers to protect what is left. And the list goes on. To conclude, I would like to thank the organizing team of DY Patil College of Engineering for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this fantastic FDP. I have learned a lot, and to all the expert speakers as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the detailed learning objectives and for expressing your views on this platform.